Good morning, class. So, in our live class, we have discussed actually the comprehension part, but due to some network problem, we cannot complete that part. So, we'll do that comprehension first, then the next one will move. Okay. So, up to question answer we have discussed. Now, in this about that funny, is it funny Amma, that story we have discussed, and the question answer also we have done. Now the true false part will do. Okay, so what is the question number 2? First one, Funny had a doll with short hair. It is false because it has a long black hair. We have heard from the story. Funny's mother stitched dresses for the doll. It is true. Funny Amma couldn't find her doll. Yes, false, because she found that one and gave it to her granddaughter. Funny Amma gave the doll to her son. It is false, because to the granddaughter she has given. Funny Amma was sad to give it to her daughter. It is false. And because she was very glad to see her old doll with her granddaughter. Is it? Now what is that? Number 3, we have to write the opposite one. So number 3a, empty will be full, opposite, and b is there, never will be always. Okay, so this is only the story. Now in story b numbers passage, what is it about? I'm just telling the story. What is here? You will find two characters, Heidi and Peter. Both of them are actually with their herd of goats. They went to that mountain which is full of flowers, with blue and yellow flowers blooming very nicely. As soon as Heidi seen all those flowers, she picked up, and full of her apron is filled with that flowers, and Peter is having a hard time as he look after both Heidi and the herd of goats. So both of them actually reach to the foot of that mountain where it is sunny, grassy and all, and on that Peter lie down as he was very tired to look after both the things. And as soon as he lie down, Heidi also sat near him. And what happened after next, while Heidi was just enjoying the beauty of the nature, on that moment she has found a giant, or the largest bird, which is just hovering her head. So because of the curiosity, she woke up Peter, and both of them had enjoyed that largest bird which is just hovering over their head. And what it looks like, very means happy. They both of them have enjoyed that with its wings, how it is flying over and all, is it, until that bird reached to the behind the mountain peak. Okay, so this is only the story. Based on the story, the question answer also will discuss. So what is the first one? You see, what did Heidi do when she saw the flowers? Heidi was wild with joy and ran from there. Heidi was wild with joy and ran from there side to side, and picked up the flowers and filled her apron. Clear? That is only she did. Why did Peter have a hard time? Because Peter had a hard time because at a time he had to look after Heidi as well as the herd, of course. So at a time he was doing all these things, so it is a very hard time for him. Third one, what did Peter do when he reached the foot of the peak? When Peter reached the foot of the peak, what he did? He just lay down on the sunny grass, and because he was very tired. Clear? What do you think was the bird that Heidi saw? Because the largest bird, and we know in the mountain peaks and all, the hovering birds are known especially as the eagle, is it? So we'll write, I think the bird that Heidi saw was the eagle bird. Clear? So these are only the question answer. If you read the story properly, very nicely, you can do the answers. Okay, so just go through it. Now let us come to the true false part. Pasture land is a grassy area where animals graze. It is true, because herd of goats went there only to graze and all. Peter had a watch over Heidi only. False, because both is a very hard time for him. The goats stayed in one place while Peter was sleeping. No, it's false. They went here and there in the mountains and all. Hedy woke up Peter to see the giant bird. It is true, because first only Hedy has seen this bird. Now, two collective nouns from the passage we have to find out. So, let's see what is that. Number 3A. First one we'll write herd of goats or bunches of flowers. You write bunches of flowers. Okay. Number B, herd of goats. Okay, these two are there in the passage. Now what we have to do, we have to pick out 4 adjectives from the passage, and we have to write the noun also which actually modifying. Clear? So let us do that one. 4A. I have written beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective, and what is the noun? Beautiful morning. It is described first line only. B number, you can write green pasture. 2 are there, you see. Green pasture, land. So here green pasture is used as that, and pasture land is used as that. C, can write light breeze. Light breeze. Okay. And D number, you see largest bird. That is largest bird. So these are the 4 adjectives I found out from the passage. More are there. Others also you can find and write. Okay. So just up to this go through. Next class we'll do the comprehension book. Okay. Comprehension book you got from with this book, that we'll discuss. Okay. Now till then just revise this comprehension. Thank you class.